this video, we'll be going to Jeonju Hanok village. So we're now in Seoul Station. We're going to Jeonju. Naubusan kami ng KTX train. No, because I searched a website to reserve sa ticket sana one day before. So don't be like me. No, don't reserve one day before. But anyways, the next available train slot is around 12 noon na. Ayaw ni Papa kasi sabi niya there's no more to walk around or explore Jeonju. We're staying there just for one night. So, ayun. So, we just took this another train, which is also by the Korail or the company of the KTX. This is the S train. So, this will be also my first time to ride the S train. In riding the S train. This is specifically made for the foreigners. So, it's a sightseeing. The normal KTX train is around Seoul to Jeonju is 2 hours. But with the S train, it's around 3 to 4 hours instead. So, in the S train, it's also here in the Seoul station. You can see it in the electronic board as well. So, our train is on 804, the bottommost part, 2521, and it's going to the Yosu Expo. So, we're staying here. Nakita lang din namin sa YouTube. So, ayan. Our first agenda is going to eat lunch. It's already 12:10 right now. So, we're going to have lunch to the birthplace of Bibimbap. We're now walking around here, the Hanok village. And we're going to the Bibimbap place. So, this is what a Monday looks like. Monday right now. So maybe the crowd is a little less than the usual. Just syempre mga Koreans, hindi naman holiday, so they have to go to work. So there's lots of rental shops here for the Hanoks if you want. Typically similar with the ones in Seoul. It is the hand-cooked chip. This is the one recommended by also the owner of our hotel, and according to him, according to the Google, this is the birthplace of Bibimbap. So this is what the inside the hand-cooked chip look inside the restaurant. So they have English menu here, and the waiters can speak a little English. So that's a good plus. Jeonju Bibimbap.
Saan mo buksan? Okay. Doon sana nakatayo yung lalaki.
Kaya mo na. Papanoorin ka pa niya. Kagatin mo na lang.
Wah!
Kakalat ka pa eh. Sarap.
Tama isang vlogger ng ano na, parang brownies. Brownies na.
Sabi ko sa'yo, kagatin mo. Parang between siya ng brownies saka cookies, ganun. Parang ganun yung texture. Tapos yung parang marshmallow siya sa loob.
Yun yung palaman lang yun eh.
Nga.
Pero yung cookies niya.
Hap naman. So, I think the people here are kind of used to a little bit already with the tourists. And kaya na pa kami tinitingnan nila pa. Yan, tapos ngiti-ngitian kami. Kumakain kami ng choco pie. Yan. So, medyo parang they're a little sanay na with the tourists. So, if you're taking picture, nagsastop sila sa tracks nila just so you can take picture para di sila maging photo bomber. And then, yung nagtatry kami ng choco pie on camera kanina. Bago siya tumawid, pinanood niya muna kami. Tapos gumingiti siya. This is just outside of the Hanok village. So, parang, ano siya, old style na Korean town, gano'n. Na hindi Hanok. Siguro mga around 1950s na Korean. Type ko mag-bingsu. The Batmobile is here. So, we're now walking back to the Hanok village. There's a temple here. Okay. There's plenty of cafes here inside also. Ha?
Ako, hindi natin yung sapay, tapos manang hako. Tignan sa
this is the best Hanok village I've visited so far. I visited the Bukchon already. I visited the Yunpyong. The Jeonju Hanok village is the best. Because it's like a combination of the Yunpyong and the trouble with the Bukchon Hanok village kasi is mabundok siya. So, for the senior citizen, not very friendly for the senior citizen to walk. And the Yunpyong naman has the advantage of being on the flat surface. But the problem with the Yunpyong Hanok village is parang it's still undergoing development. So it's not as commercialized yet and not as lively as the Jeonju. Jeonju is like a mixture of both, best of both worlds. So for Jeonju Hanok village it has a combination of the flat pathway, which is friendly for the those people with problems with the knees and stuff, and at the same time it's commercialized enough so there are activities that you can do inside the village. Go-kart tayo pag ayaw na natin maglakad kasi ang init. Pero si Toma kasi he's sleepy already, he needs his siesta time. So, that's why we'll try. Baka naman okay na yung room. Inom kaya ako ng juice.
ice cream sa Betes.
Ice cream?
Ice cream pa.
Pero yung soft serve ice cream.
Ito po naman ko. Hindi, parang ito, semi, kalahati. So, Betes sa ice cream.
Masarap. So, father is still inside taking a rest inside the hotel or the Airbnb ba yun? Basta ganun. So, I'm just walking around while he's sleeping. So, para mas medyo you can see inside. I mean, you can see inside the Hanok village. So here is what it looks like. So this is a very nice street inside the Hanok village. So there are lots of activities that you can do here. So you can have caricatures, and then you rent the hanboks, which is a popular activity here. I think I wanna buy a souvenir here because I think I like here in Jeonju. So, ganda niya dito. Hindi ka magugutom dito. Well, syempre, parang gastronomic city to. Okay, so, PNB. That's one of the earliest bakeries which bakes the choco pie. Handmade stores here. Oh, very nice crochets. The question is, what can you eat in Jeonju? Pa dito sa mga eskinita.
Malinamnam. Masarap. May asukal, madaya.
Masarap to, no?
Masarap to. Kaysa
Sa Busan. Mas ramdam mo yung smoky. More smoky taste.
Kinagal mo, more firm.
Ang budol ni si Papa.
이거 무거우니까.
밑에 잘 있어요?
아니면 그걸 하나씩만 빼요 일단.
Ano masarap? Masarap.
그냥 줘갈래.
Okay. Korean traditional playground. So we're now going to the close on Monday pala. Jeonju Hanok Village History. And this is the breakfast that's included in the hotel. So this is tok, rice cakes, tomatoes, and some oranges and bayabas. I don't know the English. Coffee. Ito, I think this is a black sesame soup probably. I'll taste later.
Kopi ang monggong. Siopaw na monggong.
Black sesame?
Mga, monggong. Ang monggong. Kasi, gana ang kamatis nila. Maliit. Matigas. Healthy na siya kumain. Healthy yan. Yung kape na walang asukal.
So it's our second day and we're going to check out today as well. But we still have 1 hour to spare and I cannot find my father. Saan na siya pumunta? So I was locking the room and then I cannot find him anymore. Well, he can't walk too far because hindi naman siya mabilis maglakad. But yun. And this is the Sonri-gil Road. This is for where Confucian scholars live here. Inside the mga alleyways like this one, you can see some of the dito, parang picture perfect spots for your Instagram and your social media pages. So you can see here sa other side. Ayan. So maganda yung mga view dyan. Kita niyo ba guys? So, ayun na siya. Saan ka pumunta? Saan ka pumunta? Nawala ka. Nawala ka. And that's our Jeonju vlog. Hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!